Hello students, welcome to Short of Sir classes. So this question is from ISI MSQE 2022. So the question is saying that this question number 15. So the number of ways in which the word pandemic can be arranged such that the vowels appear together is. So first of all we have the word this pandemic. So here total number of vowels this is 3 A E I and total number of consonants is the remaining 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 consonants are there. So fixing one orientation of vowels, there will be how many number of arrangements? There will be 5 plus 1 factorial, many arrangements, right? And the vowels can be arranged in 3 factorial ways, right? So now the number of ways in which the word pandemic can be arranged such that the vowels appear together. So there will be 5 factorial multiplied by 3 factorial, 1 into multiplied by this 5 factorial to 3 factorial. This many arrangements must be there so that the vowels appear together. So here the correct option is option D. Okay. Question number 16. Consider the function. We have this function f of x equal to x square minus x minus 1. Okay. So this is this fx is x square minus x minus 1 and gx is x plus 1. Both defined for real values of x, and alpha 1 be the positive real root and alpha 2 be the negative real root of the equation fx equal to 0, and beta 1 be the positive real root and beta 2 be the negative real root of the negative of the equation f of g of x is equal to 0. And after identifying the exact values of alpha 1, alpha 2, beta 1, beta 2, identify which of the following 4 statements is incorrect. So we have to find which of the following statements is not true. So now from the first equation, f of x is equal to x square minus x minus 1. So if we want to find this root, so f of x equal to 0, from here we can find the root of this. So root of this equation will be plus 1 plus minus 1 plus 4 by 2. So alpha 1 we have the positive real root, so it is 1 plus root 5 by 2, and alpha 2 is the negative real root, so 1 minus root 5 by 2. Now we have been given this f of g of x, so this is nothing but f of x plus 1, right? Gx we have put the values, so just write the values of this x plus 1. F of x is x square minus x minus 1, so here it will be, this will be just x plus 1 whole square minus of x plus 1 minus 1. So here we have x square plus 2x plus 1 minus x minus 1 minus 1. So this 1 will cancel out and we have only left with this x square plus x minus 1. So if we took this is equal to 0, so what will be the roots? So it will be x is equal to, what will the value of x? X will be equal to minus 1 plus minus 1 plus 4 by 2. So this is minus 1 plus minus root 5 by 2. So beta is the positive one, so write this beta 1 equal to minus 1 plus root 5 by 2, and beta 2 minus 1 minus root 5 by 2, right? So here from the option you can see that, so if we do this beta 1 plus beta 2, it will come minus 1. So from the option you can see that option D, it is given that minus of beta 1 plus beta 2 equal to given minus 1, which is not true. So we have to find the incorrect statement. So from here we can directly find the incorrect statement. It is option D. So we have got this beta plus 1 plus beta 2 equal to minus of 1. Question number 17. So let the function f of x is given as 1 minus root over 1 minus x squared be defined only over all x belonging to this closed interval of 0 comma 1, right? So we have to find the value of f of 1 minus this fx. Okay, so f of 1 minus fx is, if you calculate this f of x over here, so it will give us only simply f of root over 1 minus x square, right? So f of 1 minus x square is nothing but 1 minus of root over 1 minus x square, so it will be x squared. So here you can find this 1 minus root over 1 will cancel out an x square, so it will be simply 1 minus x. So the correct option for this f of 1 minus fx is equal to 1 minus x, so which is the correct option. So here the B will be the correct option. Question number 18. Suppose f of x is given, so this is decreasing, convex, concave. So fx is given, that is which is increasing, okay, concave and twice differential, whereas gx is decreasing, convex and twice differential. So we have the function g of x, which is g of fx. So whether to find whether this is, which of the following option is true. Okay, so here we have this f of prime x is greater than equal to 0 for all x. So f of double prime, if we do, so that will be less than equal to 0. Similarly, if we do this, g of prime is, here is less than equal to 0 for all x. So if we do the double derivative g double prime of x, it will be greater than equal to x. So we have been given the function, that is g of x is given as g of small g of fx. Okay, so if we do the first differentiation with respect to x, so g of g prime x is equal to, it will be g prime fx multiplied by f prime x, right? So this is less than equal to 0, so this is less than equal to 0. So if we do, so here the gx is decreasing, right? Now if we do the double derivative with respect to x, so we will have g double prime x, g double prime fx multiplied by f double prime xs whole square plus g prime fx multiplied by f double prime x. So this is again greater than equal to 0. So we can say that g of x is convex. So this particular function g of x will be increasing, this first of all decreasing, from here we have find this decreasing, and convex. Okay, so which one will be the correct option? So our correct option is option B, decreasing and convex.